Let's take a look at a few worksheet techniques. I have a worksheet out here called Trimester. Also in my workbook I have sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, nothing on them. If you would like to move a workbook, you can click on the Workbook tab, hold the mouse on the Workbook tab and drag it wherever you'd like. And it will change the order of the worksheet. I can drag it back if I'd like as well. If you'd like to copy a worksheet, easy way to do this is as you're dragging, hold down the Control key, and when you drag, you'll see the little indicator here. Look at my mouse. It's got a little plus sign on it, and as long as I'm holding my mouse down, when I let go, I'll have the first trimester worksheet and another trimester worksheet called Trimester 2. And it's an exact copy of the first trimester. So if you've got similar worksheets that you're putting together, you can just simply copy the worksheets. As far as Excel is concerned, you just created this thing by hand. To delete a worksheet, I can right-click the Worksheet tab and choose Delete. Say yes when I'm prompted. Now one more trick. If you want to move a worksheet from this workbook to another workbook or make a copy of it in the other workbook, it's the same technique, but you just drag it to the other workbook. Let's demonstrate this. First thing I'm going to do is let you know I have two workbooks open, and to arrange these I will go to my View tab, and inside of the window group I'm going to choose Arrange All, and when I click on Arrange All I'll get a little dialog. I'm going to make sure I'll just choose Tiled, although it doesn't matter, and I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and I see both of my workbooks on the screen. Now what I'll do is just grab my worksheet from one workbook, hold down the mouse, drag it to the other workbook, and it moves it from the first workbook to the next workbook. Now, if I want to move that back, I can do so. Just dragging it. If I want to make a copy, just like before, I hold down the Control key, and as I drag it over to the new workbook and let it go, I still have the old workbook over here, but I have the workbook as well over here, so I made a copy of it. And they have no link to each other as far as Excel is concerned. You just created these by hand. So just a few worksheet tricks.